Welcome to Solved Gadgets. Here are some of the latest technology gadgets that make our lives easier and more efficient. Smart, intelligent, and modern. It is all here. Enjoy today's gadget collection and tell us what gadget you like most in the comments section below. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified about our newest videos. Charging magnetic cable. Often you have seen that you charge your smartphone or any other device while plugging the charging cable. Sometimes it happens that we are driving the car and the cable is not connected properly. In this situation, you can use magnetic charging cable, so you are distraction-free. Were you tired of using the old wrong cables before? Aren't you? Do not worry. Magnetic charging cable is one cable for all your phones. As soon as you take this cable near the device, with the help of the magnet, it will be connected to your charging port. This cable is very strong and a good choice to buy as it supports data transfer from your smartphone to your laptop. Let's have a look how the people are using this and making their life so easy now. UFO Mini Drone. Featuring infrared obstacle avoidance sensing, air pressure altitude hold, and gravity sensing. Before playing, remember to charge the drone and make sure the battery is fully charged. Then press and hold the power switch for 2 seconds to turn on the drone. Place it on a flat surface and wait for the indicator light to be bright for the drone calibration. After that, put the drone on the palm and keep it as flat as possible, and then gently throw it up and it will automatically take off. This smart drone has unique built-in sensing points, which allow you to hand sensing or obstacle sensing and control the drone flight. This drone is suitable for 2 to 4 players for interactive playing in an open and indoor environment. When it is unobstructed for a long time, about 15 seconds, it will automatically slow down and fly down. You can also enjoy 15 seconds of sensing flight in a certain height of the air. When you need to stop it, just directly grab it by hand and then turn it over 90 degrees to stop the flight. When trying to take it off again, just place the drone on your hand and gently throw it up to take off. If the drone crashes and stops working, press the power button twice and wait for the drone to recalibrate horizontally again and to enjoy the wonderful flight experiencing again. Every pet owner wants to keep their pets as healthy and happy as possible, and proper grooming is key to doing so. The K-Comb can help to keep your pet's hair in check so that you don't have to deal with pesky hairballs, a common source of stress for owners. Grab the device by the handle and push gently the power button. The motor will spin up. The brush is ready to be used. Brush your pet's hair like you normally would, but notice that no hair is falling out or creating a mess on the sofa. The comb is electronic, so as you comb your pet's hair, it sucks up all the hair and dandruff of your pet so that it doesn't fall on the floor or on sofa. This is one of the most easy-to-use pet combs in the market, and it will keep your pets from shedding for several days or weeks. Pet's hair is stored within the head of the unit so that it can be easily disposed of later. No matter how old we get, there is a child hidden in each of us. Do you want to fly paper plane? Introducing Power Up 3. First ever smartphone controlled paper airplane using state-of-the-art technology. Power Up 3 turns your paper plane into a lean mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of paper into a plane, attach Power Up 3, and install the app. It works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front, there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight. and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. When flying, the plane might crash or fall down. You don't need to worry, all components of the Power Up 3 are super durable and crash-proof. Power Egg Drone. This drone has a compact and revolutionary ID design. Drone camera is the highlighted feature that is 360-degree panoramic 4K HD camera on 3-axis gimbal. It also has optical flow indoor positioning system. All praises fall short for this drone due to real-time long-range video transmission. You'll have super easy control when making high-quality videos for YouTube content. Zero Breeze Mark II. It has major upgrades applied inside out with our more powerful patented 24-volt sine wave, frequency-controlled rotary compressor. The cooling power gets a 200% boost. The outlet temperature may now drop up to 30 Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. The Mark II is also attired with the all-new dual hose design, with the newly equipped centrifugal fan. Both the front and rear outlet have received significant efficiency lift. The isolation circulatory system between indoor and outdoor air cools twice as fast, but 40% more efficient. Zero Breeze Mark II has also expanded its features. With the newly added sleep mode, it keeps monitoring the surrounding temperature. It keeps you in a comfortable temperature all the time. In a hot and humid summer day out, dehumidifying is as important as cooling. We have added a dedicated dehumidifier mode this time. With the combination of both, you can always stay cool and dry. We've also redesigned the battery. It can be attached to the main unit in seconds. With a whopping 630 watt-hour capacity, it may keep the Zero Breeze Mark II going for 3 minutes 5 hours, or the entire night if sleep mode is activated. The battery is now equipped with 2 USB Type-A, a 12-volt DC, and a new Type-C in at the front. How do you bridge the energy of a studio session with the benefits of a one-on-one session with artificial intelligence and personalized instructor feedback you can take with you anywhere? Meet Otori, build a studio and fitness experience that you can take everywhere. An adjustable magnetic camera tracks your movements, then the artificial intelligence takes it form in real time and personalizes your workout experience. By understanding how your body is moving, let's push this on demand and live stream classes with personal sessions with world-class instructors. It's a personalized studio experience with the analytics you need for guidance and motivation, personalized portable journey that's uniquely yours with Solomon Notepad. Which is equipped with solar panels, wireless power bank, global Wi-Fi hotspot, and eco-friendly paper. It is the most advanced notepad, would always be charged and ready for you multiple solar panels. It ensures that 12,000 milliampere battery is always juiced up. With Solomon, you will never run out of juice, providing charging to the multiple devices simultaneously. Solomon becomes your working station. Use the full surface of the Solomon that charge multiple devices wirelessly, as well with the extended power profile. Get faster wireless charging than from regular chargers. Solomon, you would not need to delay your calls. Turn Solomon into your working desk anywhere you want. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.